Good morning, everybody. My name is Ho King Hin. My student number is 257014136, and my UE number is 2506293. So today I want to introduce my 3D model and animation final presentation. So let's talk about the agenda of the presentation first. So first I will show you my target audience. Next I will show you the storyline and the storyboard. Next I will show you the updated character, and then I will show you my 3D world of the animation. Also, I will show you the software of edit the video and the difficulty, and then last I will show you my final animation. So let's talk about the target audience first. So the target audience of my animation is all Hong Kong people. Since Hong Kong people, there are many Hong Kong people will get on board the bus to go to the school or the working place every day. So I want to use this animation to tell Hong Kong people how dangerous if they don't hold the handwheel. So next, let's talk about the updated storyline first. In the beginning of the storyline, the Andy will get on board the bus, and then the Peter will smile at Andy and look at the bright red mirror, and after that the Peter will look back the front, and then also the bus will also have a kid and the keys of the kid's parents. After that, the Andy will move inside the bus compartment and turn around. Next, the bus will start moving, and then the Andy will listen to the music with his headset, and the bus will announce, "Please hold the handwheel twice," and then the Andy does not care the announcement. After that, the front appears a car and the bus brakes. The kids touch the front handwheel, and the parents' upper body is leaning forward. In the last, the Andy lost balance and he flies forward and falls outside. This is my storyboard on the story. And then let's talk about my character. The left photo is called Andy, and he wears black t-shirt, blue jeans. Also, he wears a sports shoes, and he uses the black headset. And he is a person who did his way for own way, and so he will not listen to everyone. And right side photo is called Peter. He's a bus driver, and he wears the uniform of the bus company and wears a black jeans and sports shoes. Also, he will wears a white cap, and he is a kind people. Also, he is a focused person. Next, let's talk about the details of my 3D world of the animation. Let's talk about the bus compartment. So, my bus wheel has 2 plus 1 seat. Also, the bus has some reverse seats, and all the seats has one handwheel, and also the bus wheel has wheelchair position to make the bus seem like the Hong Kong bus. This is my photo of the 3D world. The upper photo is the bus body of outside, and then the bottom photo is the bus compartment. Next, let's talk about the software of the edit video. So first, I use the Blender to generate the animation to PNG photo first, and then edit one times first. After that, I generate the animation with Blender, and then put the video to the CapCut to add some screen text and tune some sound, maybe louder and smaller, and then I generate the video to MP4 file. Let's talk about some sound that I use. So first I downloaded some bus horn the sound in the Pixel Bay, and then next I downloaded one BGM called Angels by My Side in Bandsound, and this music is free. Also I recorded some bus engine sound in the 18th and 25th of October, and then also I used the AI to AI code in II Elephant Lab to generate the announcement. Please hold the handle, and then the dialogue of Andy are in this website. Also, it is free. Okay, let's talk about my difficulty of this project. So in this project, I missed some difficulty. First, I didn't know how to unjoin the two objects. So since I do a mistake and I join two objects and I don't know how to unjoin it. So I go to YouTube to search how to solve that, and the I find one video to solve this, and finally I successfully to unjoin two objects. The next question difficulty is I don't know how to let the character to follow the path. Since I don't know how to let the character to follow the path, so I go to YouTube to search some video, and I find two videos for teaching this. So the video teach me to add press add in the object mode, and then add, and then go to curve, and then add the path, and then finally the character can follow the path to walk. Finally, let's talk about my animation.
Dear all passengers, for your safety, please hold the handrail. Dear all passengers, for your safety, please hold the handrail.
So Andy fly forward and fall outside since he does not hold the handle in the whole time. So I won't use this animation to tell Hong Kong people to hold the handle if they on board the bus to protect themselves. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.